Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of my channel. This time we are at WLI Waterfall and we are going to explore. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video if you enjoy it, and share it as usual. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's go. Souvenir shop. Hello, I'm back. Hello.
About Bianca?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell them they have to know.
You just remember me.
Yeah.
By the way, we are now going to the highest waterfalls in West Africa.
Highest waterfall.
Yes,
in
West Africa. Yeah.
Wow.
We are walking towards roughly leisure walk, 35 minutes walk to the falls.
35 minutes.
Yeah. Crossing 9 bridges.
What?
Crossing 9 bridges.
Yeah. And from Bridge number 9 to the lower falls takes only 1 minute.
Okay.
And at the same time from Bridge number 9 to the upper falls takes 1.5 hours hiking, 1.5 hours down.
What? To the upper falls?
No, we are going to the lower falls.
Yeah, I know, but you were saying 1 hour.
1 hour, 30 minutes to the hiking to the upper falls.
Oh.
And then from base number 9 to the lower falls takes only 1 minute from the same bridge, because from there to the lower falls 1 minute and the same time
Okay.
to the upper falls takes 1.5 hours
Okay.
hiking.
Okay.
And this falls, since generation was found, never dry.
Never dried?
Yeah, move straight to River Volta.
Oh, okay.
Never dry.
Yeah,
I see.
Even in dry season.
yeah.
Interesting.
Since generation, never dry. The first bridge. That's the next question. I'm going to show you of what happened. The first bridge is a river from Togo, strike out, enter Ghana. We are in border. So from the border post to Togo, it's just 5 minutes walk to Togo.
I see.
So this river struck down and then walk down and join the first river. Security rounds before move straight to River Volta.
Oh.
So the name of the Togo river is called River Nubui. N-U-B-U-I, River Nubui from Togo.
Lovely.
So this particular river is
So that's 30th June last year, also I'll tell you. That's our normally bridge. Before we realized, as I told you, day and night it was raining. Day and night people are waiting in our hotels. We have about 9 hotels in town.
Okay.
Before the water degree, you don't see pieces of the bridge.
Wow.
Remaining only these ones. Move it away. And some broken ones are there inside.
Yeah.
So now it gives us an idea of intelligent movement. So we raise it.
Okay.
You can see that one is just mini one.
Yeah.
So we raise it. So River Nubui is a very strong river.
River.
Yeah, River Nubui.
I see.
So the 8th all we are going to cross
Okay.
is the first river called River Agomacha.
Ago Macha.
And the name of our mountain is called Mountain Asoglo.
Asogro.
Mountain Asoglo.
who is it named after?
It's named after Mr. Adika, the founder of the falls. It's a hunter.
Okay.
On those days.
Is he Ghanaian?
It's a Ghanaian. We are in Ghana.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
No. That time I learned to the elders, there's even a lion, but he used to go to the forest by a spiritual movement.
Hey.
To the elders, those days, there's even lion. So intentionally to let the Ghana Tourism Board in that colonial British time, they let game and wildlife come and spray the whole forest, to kill the wild animals, to let visitors to be free, in freedom, to move to see the. So the height of the falls is 855 meters height.
Wow.
Yeah, both from the upper to the down, which is 855 meters height.
Wow.
And this falls was found in the year 1869.
1860.
Yeah, by a hunter called Mr. Abita. In the forest, we have a lot of fruit bats hanging on the wall of the falls.
A lot of what?
Fruit bats.
Fruit.
Every fruit we eat, banana, mango, pawpaw. So we give them, they are like the one in Accra.
Okay.
So they only eat fruit.
Oh,
They
okay.
fly 6 o'clock this evening and come back early tomorrow morning 6 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
They, for the only once in a day, but they only drink water. So by the daytime, they will not fly. So when we get there, you are going to view a lot of them.
Oh, okay.
And the animal we have again now is Mona monkey. But our monkeys, when they see you, they are on speed. They think that maybe
You still.
they will run away. So when
How do
we
people
are
kill the
hiking,
mountains around here, the monkeys around here?
yeah. But, no, monkey sanctuary really, they are very tame, but our own, they are not tame.
Oh,
So
okay.
when we start hiking to the top, to the position we have been seeing there, then that means meditation, quiet.
Oh.
Some of the foreigners, they want to see them and capture them. But when they see you first, they are going. When we get to the position, I only make this style like what? Just capture this influence. We don't have any big animals to do in the forest.
Okay.
And in the water, we have only fish and crab inside the water.
Fish and crab.
Yeah, some are big like this. But unfortunately, and then nature is very wonderful in the daytime. You can't see them.
Oh, okay. I was about to ask. The source of the water.
Like I know I keep notes to show that you asked me before. I know you asked. In a set of this mountain side, we have the same road like this. It's one of our community called Vletoji. Toji.
Like told you.
Yeah. It's a big
Vle or Vli.
Vli, W-L-I. I was telling you something about Bianca. A big hole like this, round, spring it from the rock inside, and then move about 1.5 miles, drop down to the upper falls, and then walk like from here to the dead mango trees, and then drop down to the lower falls. But nature is very wonderful. What I saw is that the nature is wonderful is that the pool in the lower falls, the half of it is at the upper falls. And the upper falls designed like this, and the lower falls where we are going now is very straight. And the pool over here, very big, and the half of it is at the upper.
How?
The half of the pool over here is at the upper, make exchange, and the lower falls. No, God is so strange because you know that not all people can go to the top. So we let people to be enjoying over here. This is what makes me wonderful.
Yeah.
As a nature, I think of it, when I go to the top and come out to the lower, I say, what? God?
You go to the top?
I go to the top, but now I resign
Oh.
for the top. I tell the officers that me, the state of me now, only the young boy. If you
Okay.
give me 1 million, 10 million, there, I'm not going.
Yeah, because I'm surprised.
My knees are like yourself. This is the beginning of the Falls River now.
Okay.
So, by the way, as I told you, we are in Border Town. The back of this, there's a route near Tanzania bus stand. You can view a town of Togo like our community. So from the border post to Togo, as I told you, only 5 minutes walk. So by the right side, so we are going to walk through valley, round up. We are tracing that big mountain where the falls are hiding. So that's where we are going now.
Okay.
Parliament is not far from us.
So literally like we are
Even your drivers have no parliament. It's not
half
far from
line.
us.
So literally we are half line in Togo.
Yeah. So the demarcation starts to up, round, up to.
Okay.
So at the top of the
Oh,
third bridge.
the third bridge.
Yeah, we are nearly to the third bridge now.
Okay.
From the third bridge, we are going to use 10 minutes to bridge number 4. That 10 minutes to bridge number 4, small time you cross, Then know that we are nearly to the falls.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's the longest way like from the office to here, then so they know that you are getting to the falls.
Falls. Okay. So are there any plants, fruits? What sort of fruit? The fruits
Our
here,
land
are they?
is very fertile. For any kind of food you want to farm, to plant, very beautiful. Rice, yam, anything. Like the things man you meet on the way.
Yes.
You say they are things. They are not nice. They are in town plenty because of our land. So anything you grow over here, very good.
Okay. So nothingness means they are Togo.
No. They are Ghana, not Tamale.
Tamale.
They leave their home, they are here with us.
Okay.
Because of the land. Yeah, because of the land. So this is the last end of the farm, meet in the forest. From the office, the reception, up to this farm end. From the end of this farm, the port, no way for anybody to farm.
Oh,
They
okay.
keep- They say they are human beings. That's why the government is compensating them, paying them, but they don't want the forest to be destroyed. You can identify what happened on that 20th June.
Yeah.
That's why the iron rod.
Wow.
So we are breaking this.
Hey. The one who caused it.
Pick the pieces of the middle away.
Away. Wow.
So
That was strong.
It's not easy thing which happen on that day. 3 good days, day and night for stop. If you don't have food in your house, then that means you have a raincoat or
Yeah.
you have to restore.
God is amazing in his own way.
So this, you see how the
Oh, the
it doesn't
cocoa.
grow well, finish so.
Okay.
It doesn't grow well.
So when it's ripe,
Why does it
who
grow?
takes it?
We have it in the boy is there.
Oh, okay.
Coconut in the reception over there.
So he sells it.
Yeah, 1 city.
Okay. 1 city for cocoa. That's
The
nice.
thing alive, but they put it soft like of it gives energy. Can you take a picture of the Twins Mountain?
Oh,
So in the middle there, me, I can pass through the parliament you are calling, I pass through the middle of it. They don't join on. They don't join. This one's separate. So there's a road through the middle over there. There's a
yeah.
road. I'll enter another Togo's village. Then from there to Parliament is not far.
Then we and Togo people, we are just
And we
Yeah,
speak,
yeah.
And we speak the same language,
Language.
in our area.
the same, right?
Yeah.
And we speak the same language.
Let me take a picture.
I see. Hey dear.
This is coffee for Nescafe. Like seriously.
And then before
Oh, okay, yeah.
they grind it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they grind it.
Let me have all three.
So from what to what to what? Green to red.
Yeah.
Green to red.
Red to brown.
So that it's ready for chopping. Then you chop it.
Oh, I
And
see.
then dry it, grind it, and then send it to industrial area before they prepare it to be a
Ready.
Nescafe.
Okay.
You know it.
Making
They give a new name to it, like Talking River. But how long is- This one self is not making
this
it.
is the fall.
Yeah.
Nice.
I see. The insects here, are they dangerous?
What?
Insects.
No. You don't have insects over, even mosquito. Me at times, when the weather is hot, I sleep outside.
No cheche fly too.
No.
Okay.
You are now getting to the Bianca Street.
WLI.
Really.
What does it mean?
Jump.
Struggle.
Oh, struggle.
Fight out.
Ah, really?
Really, yeah.
Okay, so really in Ewe, in struggle. The people don't pronounce it well.
So fight out or struggle.
It's not really. It is really. Really means struggle
Yeah.
or fight.
And it is true, according to elders, when they come in our history from Wode, Benin, formerly it was called Dahomey because of snakes. It was called Dahomey, but they changed the name Benin. Like how we formerly called Gold Coast. Like now we are Ghana.
So Benin was a country full of snakes.
Yes,
Wow. No wonder they have the temple.
like my brother is around there. You show you python, all you can see, but don't move by, they will not bite, they will not do anything.
Wow.
It's a spiritual movement for them. How do you call it?
You didn't see the sister friend.
It's a sign for them.
Oh yeah, that.
They say a snake will move from their frame over there and both even to church room. If you are scared not to can carry it, they'll call the owner to come and carry it to the room.
Wow.
So, according to village people,
Yeah.
they set it up from Noche
Noche.
and then set it somewhere behind the border.
Okay.
Side. And unfortunately, the Togolese
Yeah.
living here. So there's a fight. So they fight a lot.
Oh, okay.
Okay. My sister asked me a question behind break number 4.
Yes.
They are now going to renew this. In every holiday in Ghana, it can be more than 5,000 people on this route.
Yeah.
Carrying generator, instruments, drinks. You see, have you come to Mr. Holiday? First, if you lose this small, you know more you master key. So they are not going to expand it. This is the only checkpoint. So you meet the police and securities over here. They will bring generator and then the computer down because they cannot be writing. The computer will printing in the machine at the ticket at once. So the secret behind is this. And the bridge number 4, 20th of June last year. When we near then you see what happened. So from that to bridge number 5, just in front of us. So we break down here. In case this is the highest bridge among all the bridges.
Oh.
And what is happening is that we are
It's
not
on the
as sure on it.
Yeah.
So when it move it this year, then that means we are going to do small hiking, some 1 minute hiking.
yeah,
During the bridge number 5.
Is it?
So we prepare down for him
Okay.
because this October ending to November,
It can
be
give
raining
back.
as how I said. Yeah. So we break down here because we are not as sure on this because on this especially October ending from 25th to enter November. That time here they have to. They have to do it. A cement block. This two.
Yeah.
A river move it, block it down, put it down, pass the top and then
Wow.
stay here.
Water is
Same
really
time you can
strong.
see that there's iron rock. It's not easy to river when you want to overflow. It's not easy. Sure. Like know that is the highest bridge or like this one.
Condemn.
would have been condemned. Yeah, see the way they destroyed the bridge.
Wow.
Come and do your picture here. Put it on video.
Yes, it's on video. Like the sound alone should tell you that I am not here to play. I see. Okay. Wow.
Our interview. One of the way you are buying our industry, you want to buy our nature. Remember the rest. Oh, this man try come second round. This is the big bit. See the way it move. See the way the river move this big. So easy. What I'm telling you is very easy.
Hey, how can you buy?
So the hike will be.
And he come second again. And the chief say, you send him here, he come again. So you break it down here.
Yeah.
For the base, said the height of the mountain is 3 times underground, so it can never fail down. So the way God built the world, right? That's what I'm saying. The 3 times of the height of the mountain is 3 times underground. The height, 3 times, so it can never fail. You know, Burma comes to just came here for an exercise. The second Ghanaians are going to kill them. And they are blocking. They run away. They say there's war. People stay about a week before they come back to their house. They fear a lot.
Okay.
Me myself, I never get happened like that before.
Number 7. Okay.
Shortest bridge.
Shortest bridge.
Shortest bridge like that.
It's strong.
Two minutes to the waterfall.
Yay!
I hope you are going to be lucky. The sun has shown up.
Okay.
Then you are going to see a rainbow in the fall.
Oh!
I was telling you that the weather, that's why I said we should walk fast.
Yeah, so that.
But now, before the whole day, it's not showing. But now it's so small. That time, the sun predicts the rock. It's shining like a mirror.
Okay.
The point is set on it.
It gives
It
the...
gives a rainbow in the water.
Okay, that's nice.
Round. It's nice.
Bridge number 8. So smooth
1
and clean.
minute to the fall.
We are almost there. I'm excited, I'm tired too. Oh. Yay! Let's go. It's really
Andrew, definitely you come.
high from here. Are you sure 1.5 hour?
I'm telling you the truth. It is supposed to use 2 hours. That's the fruit
With
bat
this my knee.
hanging on the wall like the one in
Oh, a lot of
the
it.
of them.
What's that?
The bats.
They're chilling.
And this is the 9th bridge.
That's it.
Wow.
They're chilling.
See, the rain did all. There it is. I think the phone is capturing the wall. There. Woo! We are there.
Bring the pictures. I'm going to tell you.
Then use only the right.
Yeah, use the right one.
Only.
I made it! Finally! Ah! Amazing.
Oh my God.
This is breathtaking. What? Oh my God! Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share. Mwah. Mwah, mwah. You know how we do it.